and I want to bring the avocado.
Call it in?
Yeah.
Where's it from?
Garcia's.
Oh, Garcia.
I don't know what this is going to entail, but I don't have the money. But that's my search or something. I didn't get his money yet. Okay. He's out. It's just me and the Sarge.
Oh,
So, what is this? What is it?
here's all I need. This will take 5 minutes. Take a photocopy of that, get that information onto a new supplemental report, put this URL with this note, and then when I call the detectives, there's otherwise, here's the point, in this collection of documents, there's a comparatively huge amount of material. None of that needs to be read in regard to Teresa Flores. The only reason it would need to get considered is if this was a conspiracy, if someone like her millionaire brother or some other person put her up to this.
Have you been contacted by any detectives about the situation at all since then?
No, and I don't expect I'll ever be contacted because it's going to go in the bottom of somebody's drawer because I have experience in this. I talked to Officer Kaczynski or whatever his name was this morning about how I can get to.
What is this? What does this mean? What is this for? Just state. What do you want me to add to another sub-report?
Here, to this just simply this. Instead of what he's here, okay, this is it. Now I have a different URL. It's a different URL because it had to be updated based on what happened today. Okay, because I have to take and I have to box this person in, put words in her mouth.
What is the crime? What is this going on?
Theft of over $500
Of what?
of items. It's all listed in the police report. There's no need for me. All I need is I need the highest ranking supervisor because this is we could have been done with this 5 minutes ago.
This is a non-criminal case report they wrote. The original one is not criminal. You know that, right?
The original one, this.
It's a 5001. It's a non-criminal case report. It's not even criminal.
You're telling me that JG 363955 is not criminal?
No, a 5001 is not a criminal case report.
Huh. Well, in that case, I got to do whatever I got to do to get it into the criminal, get a criminal determination so that I could get to the probable cause here. Pardon?
You can talk to the other officer that wrote it.
No, I don't need that because the next officer is in the place of the last officer. There's no legitimate basis to. No, that's not the way. That's not constitutionally adequate.
Excuse me?
It's not. What? Pardon?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
I'm not. The citizens' constitutionally protected right to the measure of consideration constituted of a legitimate investigation and prosecution of a crime committed against a given citizen isn't dependent upon tracking one member of the city Chicago Police Department around the city. There's just no way. I need an official police report. Then that's the thing I need right now. Okay, then I need that. Or either that or I need an explanation as to why I can't get an official police report and all of this. Wait, pardon?
You already have it. I don't know.
What do here's my point. I talked to Officer Klaczynski today or whatever. He told me he worked at branch 44. Okay. He told me a formula to go down to branch 44 and get a complaint. I'm completing the complaint myself. Get the complaint signed by a warrant officer so I can walk into the court, hand it to the clerk.
You can do that with this case report.
Pardon?
You can do this with this report already.
I thought you said it's not a criminal report.
It's got an RD number. You can still do what you want to do with it.
Okay, I'm trying to follow this. Is
This
the
is what
entity...
happens when you go to 4 different police stations, sir, and then you want me to add more to a case report.
I can't hear you as you're walking away.
And in return, the victim did some work for the offender. Related that the property has suffered some fire damage. Furthermore, related that since the above listed date, he has been trying to get his above listed property that was left in the building. Related that he is able to get his backpack and his computer's back, but the above listed items still have not been returned to the victim. Robert Moore related that at the time he stayed in the property, there was no other occupants. RO advised civil court. Yeah,